picked up a couple more things off of Amazon and just came in, so let's see what I got. Yeah, they got quite a few things coming in from Amazon, so yeah, exactly what this is, but oh, these are H7 LEDs for the CBR. I think these are like 6,000 kelvins. Yeah. I think these are like 25 bucks. So slowly but surely getting more stuff for the bike. Put that on the road. And picked up some new headlights for for my Cadillac. These are just a little bit brighter. They're the same 6500Ks, but these are, I think, a 75 watt. The ones I have now are, I think, a 55. I think these were like 40 bucks, 45 bucks. It's nice because it has a built-in, I think, what are these, resistors, so there's no flickering, just direct plug and play. So, yeah, hopefully these are a lot brighter. Got a nice fan built in. Comes in a nice case too, nice little box. They're the Tech Max. Yeah, 9012s. And yeah, actually they're 72 watts. And 6500K. 1200 lumens. So hopefully they're a little brighter. And lastly in the package, what is this? I think this is the Helicoil set. Helicoil, yeah. This is not the really expensive brand. I think this is maybe around $40, you know. But it's just nice to have if you ever have to, you know, retap something and put new threads in. Try to give you an idea, see how good the quality is. It doesn't seem too bad on the taps. Definitely seem pretty decent. Like I said, I don't need anything really expensive. It's just nice to have, you know, that oh shit moment. But it comes with M5s, M6, M8s, M10s, and M12s. Comes with everything you need to get the job done, you know. It's got the drill bits as well, and the install tool for the coil itself, and then the punch out tool. Yeah, it definitely seems like a nice little kit for as cheap as it was. It's nice to have. If I find out or remember to put it up, I'll put exact prices of whatever these are, but mostly this. I'll try to put a picture up. Alright, so next up I got a couple things from Lowe's. I picked up this General brand. It's a contour gauge. This was $9.98, and I liked that it was constructed of metal compared to my Harbor Freight brand, which is plastic, and the needles on it are a lot thinner than these. You can get more precise shapes, I guess, out of it. So yeah, that's nice. And then next up, I got this Swanson Tri-Square. This was $12.98. Savage. But yeah, it had some decent markings on it. I like the fact that you have your pencil guide with these indents here. You know, the top ones are 1/8 inches, and then you got 1/4 inches, half, and then a full inches as well. So that's nice. I don't know if I mentioned those. $12.98. And next up, I got this Cobalt drill and driver bit. It has, I think that was it, number 2 Phillips on it, and you just click that up, flip it over. It's got a 7/64 bit on there with a countersink, and then you just lower it down, click it down, and it's locked in. That's a nice little tool to have, I guess. And this was $9.98 as well. And it's nice that I seen that it's made in the USA. That's cool. And obviously these are made in China, so it's like everything else pretty much.